Hey guys, this is Jess, and I am here with Chaz. He is one of my favorite lenders, and we're getting some similar questions these days. So I wanted to hop on, get his opinion, and kind of just talk about the situation that we're seeing out there in the market right now. Do you guys and professionals in your industry think in the next 2 or 3 years rates are going to be lower than they are today?
It just depends on how optimistic of an investor you are. I personally do think we're going to be in the mid fours by December, but you'll have some people who tell you we'll still be in like fives by December, which is still better than where we are right now. I don't see rates going to a place where they're going to be higher than we are right now. Hopefully that doesn't happen, especially what the Federal Reserve is showing us with what they're doing with the rate hikes and how they're tackling inflation. I'm hoping that we don't see rates get higher than they are right now. So me personally, I say 4.5 by December.
Yep. And my background is in finance too. I'm an accounting nerd. So I get it when people see those total amount paid over the life of the loan and those amortization tables and, really add up the numbers of what interest they're going to be paying over the life of the loan. I know it sounds like a lot, but hardly anyone stays in their loan in their house for the whole 30 years, number one. And so if I had buyers that were really, upset about the rate, I would try to get a seller concession and do a temporary buy down for the first 1 or 2 years to get a little bit off the rates. After that, you guys can refinance and we'll be good to go from there. But just based on my background in accounting, it is better to buy the asset at a lower price than buy when the rates are low and the assets are higher. And they kind of move like this. So it's rare that we're going to see interest super low and the price of houses super low or vice versa. But if you can lock in the cost of the house and the concessions and everything now, get a decent help with buy down if you want, or cash to close, you can negotiate some repairs and stuff like that. In the next couple of years, a refinance, I think pretty low cost is going to be a perfect situation. I think we're in a little window here before rates get lower and more buyers get back into the market where we're really seeing some great deals.
Exactly. We're definitely seeing great deals right now. I just got a house under contract this week, actually, where the seller's giving us 2.5% of the purchase price and cost concessions to help my buyer buy his house. And I feel like the standard right now is sellers giving 2%, unless if it's like a house that's freshly on the market and it already has a lot of offers going in there. A lot of sellers are giving us 2%.
That's
so
awesome.
I think it's a great time to buy right now.
Awesome.